My name is Kyle Carnes, and I manage the back of house deliveries, logistics, and our fleet of vehicles. We used to just carry things in and out of the van by hand, stepping in and out, and that was before we got a link ramp, and since then everything is simpler. It's easier to go in and out of the vehicle, it's safer. More of us can access the van more easily, more often. Being able to swivel the ramp in and out allows us to still be able to load items in and out of the van without using the ramp, because sometimes that is still more convenient. Sometimes we get ourselves in positions where we're loading or unloading and we can't back right up to where we want to load in or load out. So we found that with the ramp we can put it over certain obstacles, hedges and things like that, so we can access the sidewalk and load in and out more easily. When the ramp was first suggested to me, I resisted the idea. I thought it's extra, it's going to take up space in the van. Thought it would be more of a hassle than a benefit. But now that we have the ramp, I found that we can load more things in more easily, and folks who don't do it quite as often as I do have better access to the van. Things that are heavier are easier to move, obviously. Anything on wheels is a pleasure to move in and out of the van at this point with the ramp. Since we've had the ramp installed, we've had different opportunities to have different clients and different projects, and we are able to move things more easily with more vehicles more often. I'd highly recommend the Link swivel ramp to any company that uses a large cargo van that makes anything loading in and out simpler and easier and safer in many cases.